Prices are high, and while inflation has stopped sending them upward, they're also not coming back down.
Yeah, this is leading to more debt for consumers. THV11 Sarah Horbakowitz has the latest on how credit cards are widening American wallets.
Pandemic lows and inflation highs are leaving lots of people looking for ways to save.
These are more expensive. I just had to get my books and wasn't expecting to spend as much as I had to.
Like UALR law student Brianna McDonough.
I get cash back on a lot of my purchases with the credit card I have. So that's super beneficial to me right now.
And she's not alone. With inflated prices, a record amount of people are signing up for credit cards and building up personal loan debt, with just over 8 million more Americans holding on to a new card and an average about $500 more in debt.
During the pandemic, we had a lot of checks going out and people had cash reserves built up, but we've settled into a longer pattern now of high prices, and that those cash reserves are running out.
Financial advisor Scott Inman says that consumers should always prepare for hard financial times if they can.
If you live a long life in the United States, there's going to be high inflation at some point in your life. So all those things need to be planned for in advance.
Leaving credit card companies like Chase, US Bank, and Simmons Bank offering new deals.
When you're looking at credit cards, what you're really trying to do is understand, what are the rewards I'm getting for the card and what are the benefits.
Many offerings geared towards new customer needs in the current financial climate.
Our card offering is that we have a balance transfer opportunity. Now, that's one thing that can provide immediate kind of cash flow relief.
But Inman says interest rates could come back to haunt you if you're not careful.
When you think about the interest rate on a credit card, if you don't make that full payment every month, your interest rate's much higher than even inflation is.
And while pandemic stimulus checks did encourage more spending, UALR economist Michael Pacco says another deposit might not be in our future.
The problem there is that has been part of the process that feeds inflation, is the very strong consumer spending.
But the light at the end of the tunnel could be coming soon.
Never should we applaud 8.5% inflation, but it does show that possibly we're past the peak and possibly these prices might be starting to come down.
Though for now, the focus of thousands, budgeting.
How much do I need to budget out to subsidize my living costs and pay for school and pay for all these extra things?
Reporting in Little Rock, Sarah Horbakowitz, THV 11 News.
Federal student loan payments are also set to start up again in just 15 days. Just something else for loan recipients to consider as these budgets stay tight.